Ever feel like you're just guessing where the market will turn? What if you could pinpoint reversal zones with much higher accuracy? Today, we're diving into a powerful technique called order block confluence. This isn't about just finding any old order block. We're going to supercharge this strategy by combining it with the magic of Fibonacci recut. Imagine an order block, that last down candle before a strong upward move, lining up perfectly with a key Fibonacci level like the 61.8% or the 78.6%. That's what we call a high probability confluence zone. When you see these two powerful tools pointing to the same area, it's like the market is giving you a giant heads up that a reversal could be just around the corner. It's about trading smarter, not harder. If you want to stop guessing and start identifying these high probability turning points, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching.